and plastic and cotton. My very personal class worksheet. I am my Vishwajit. Hello friends, my name is Ishika. I am a cleaner. Clean India, Clean India.
Very good. What is Ishika? What is Ishika, friends? A mop. Very good. Do you use it at home? Yes. Even in school? Yes. Very good. Thank you, Ishika. We move on to the next participant, Prashant.
Today, paper bag. My name is Shravani Kadam. I am a mom. Clean India, Green India. Use me.
Look at that, a radiant face with a flashing
Hello
message.
friends, I am Madhuri. Clean India, Green India.
राहू दे ना फोटो काढायचे ना मम्मी सोबत हे असेच राहू दे बाकीचं राहू दे
Friends, my name is Aditi Tukaram Gupta. मैं मैनुअल सबसे हाथ क्लीन करती हूँ.
हाँ, ये आप भी करते हो? हाँ.
तुझं अंग दुखतंय का नाही नाही छान बोललीस
Okay.
I am Manish. I am